What is going on, guys? It is Justin with Extreme Customs, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Fuel Triton. And this is a 22 by 12 with a negative 43 offset, and the tire that it's paired up with is the Amp Mud Terrain Attack, and this is a 33 by 12 and a half to fit the 22-inch wheel. This one's really cool because the entire wheel is chrome. It's really shiny. It also has a big lip on it because of the wide wheel with the high offset. So tell me what you guys think about this tire and wheel package, and you guessed it, in the comment section down below.
Thanks guys for tuning in. If you like what you just saw, make sure you check it out in the description for some more information. Like up this page, subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep bringing you RealView videos of products you may be shopping for. Thanks again guys so much for supporting a true garage startup.